If you're doing this one thing before you go to sleep at night, your face is getting damaged every single night, and you probably don't even realize it. I'm not just talking about a few pimples or some dark circles. I'm talking about waking up, looking in the mirror, and seeing a face that looks tired and dull, and feeling your confidence just drain away. You might blame it on your genetics, how much you slept, or your age. But the real culprit is hidden in the last 60 minutes of your day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which habit is killing your natural glow. And more importantly, how you can reverse the damage without buying a single product. Let's dive into the first and most dangerous habit: using your phone while lying in bed. It feels relaxing, right? Scrolling through Instagram, watching some reels or shorts to wind down. But here is the reality. The blue light blasting from your phone screen is sending a powerful signal to your brain, telling it that it's still daytime. What's the result? Your body's production of melatonin, the sleep hormone, gets blocked. This means your skin's natural repair cycle switches off. So even when you finally do fall asleep, your face isn't getting the healing and recovery it desperately needs. Your body is resting, but your skin isn't. The second mistake is the habit of sleeping late. Staying up past midnight might give your body some rest, but it does almost nothing for your face's repair process. Think of the hours between 11 p.m. and 2 a.m. as the golden window for your skin. This is when it's working its hardest to repair damage from the day, build collagen, and rejuvenate itself. If you're consistently missing this crucial 3-hour window, you are literally putting your face on the fast track to aging. Those fine lines, that loss of elasticity, they're reappearing a lot sooner than they should because you're re-skipping the most important repair shift of the day. And the third, most ignored habit is carrying your stress to bed with you. You've turned off your phone, you've switched off the lights, but your mind is still running a marathon. You're replaying conversations, worrying about tomorrow's to-do list, or just feeling anxious. When your mind is on, your body stays on high alert. Your cortisol levels, the stress hormone, remain elevated. This leads to inflammation throughout your body, which shows up on your face as acne, dullness, and those stubborn dark circles. You look in the mirror and think, my skin is just bad. But the truth is, your mind is just overloaded, and your skin is paying the price. Now, take a step back and notice this. These 3 habits, your phone in bed, sleeping, latte, and taking stress to bed, they all look different on the surface, but they are all attacking the exact same thing: your body's critical night recovery system. They're a triple threat to your skin's health and your natural glow. But here's the good news. The solution is simple, and it's not extreme. You don't need a 10-step skincare routine or expensive gadgets. You just need to make a few small adjustments. Let's call it your new night reset. First, the 1-hour rule. Put your phone away at least 45 to 60 minutes before you plan to sleep. No more scrolling in bed. This isn't a punishment, it's a signal. You're telling your brain that the day is officially over. Create a charging station for your phone across the room if you have to. Out of sight, out of mind. This simple change allows your melatonin levels to rise naturally, kicking your skin's repair mode into high gear. Second, dim the lights. As you get closer to bedtime, start turning down the bright lights in your home. Use lamps instead of bright overhead lights. This works hand in hand with putting your phone away. It is another powerful environmental cue for your brain that it is time to wind down and prepare for restorative sleep. Think of it as creating a sunset inside your own home. It's calming, it's relaxing, and it sets the stage for deep, healing rest. And third, before you close your eyes, take just 2 minutes to focus on your breathing. This is not about becoming a meditation expert overnight. This is damage control. Simply lie down, close your eyes, and pay attention to the feeling of your breath moving in and out. Inhale slowly, exhale slowly. That's it. This simple act helps to switch your mind from fight or flight mode to rest and digest mode. It lowers cortisol, reduces mental chatter, and calms your entire system down, allowing your body and your skin to finally get the deep recovery they need. Make these changes, and in just 7 days, you'll start to notice a difference. Your face will feel calmer. Your eyes will look brighter and fresher. You'll wake up feeling more rested, and that little spark of confidence will start to come back. Stick with it for 30 days, and people will start to notice. They'll ask you, "What have you been doing? You look great. Did you change something?" So, I have a question for you. Comment yes down below if you're guilty of at least one of these habits every single day. And if you're ready to make a change starting tonight, come and reset. Your face isn't weak. Your habits are. It's time to change them. In my next video, I'm going to expose the common morning habits that are making your face look tired and puffy all day long. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.